I still remember freezing in my own bathroom, standing under a sad, trickling shower head that barely washed the shampoo out of my hair. It was a miserable start to the day. Finding a genuine high-pressure rain shower head is surprisingly difficult. Most promise a torrential downpour, but deliver a weak drizzle, wasting your time and money. That is why I spent the last few weeks testing dozens of the most popular models on the market. Today, I am revealing the top 5 options that actually deliver, including one that completely transformed my morning routine. 5. AquaCare 50-mode high-pressure shower head combo. When I first unboxed this unit, the promise of having 50 different combinations seemed like the ultimate luxury for a personalized bathing experience. It features an 8-way adjustable overhead shower alongside an 8-way handheld unit, which theoretically gives you a massive range of options. I spent a good amount of time experimenting with the various settings, from the pulsating massage to the misting spray, trying to find that perfect balance of pressure and coverage. The built-in antimicrobial nozzles are a nice touch, designed to prevent the buildup of mold and bacteria over time. However, during my testing, the sheer volume of choices felt more overwhelming than genuinely useful. I found myself sticking to just 2 or 3 standard settings because many of the combinations felt redundant or slightly weak. The advertised high pressure is certainly there on the more concentrated settings, but when you switch to the wider rainfall modes using both heads simultaneously, the water pressure drops significantly. If you have average home water pressure, trying to run both the overhead and the handheld at the exact same time might leave you with a rather lackluster flow that struggles to rinse thick soap away. Another aspect that became quickly apparent after a few days of use was the build quality. The entire casing and the shower heads themselves are constructed from a lightweight plastic finished in chrome. While it looks shiny and attractive right out of the box, the plastic feels quite flimsy when you're adjusting the angle or switching between modes with wet, soapy hands. The dial for changing the spray settings was a bit stiff initially and felt like it could easily snap if forced too hard. 4. AquaDance 7-inch Premium High-Pressure Rainfall Shower Head. This model caught my eye because it promises a luxurious, spa-like drenching experience without requiring a massive budget or a complicated installation process. When I installed it in my secondary bathroom, the setup took less than 5 minutes and required absolutely no tools, which is a huge plus if you're not particularly handy. The 7-inch face is designed to provide shoulder-to-shoulder coverage, and it features rub-clean jets that are supposed to make maintenance a breeze. In practice, the water coverage is decent, but the high-pressure claim comes with a few caveats. When I first turned it on, the water flow was certainly better than the stock shower head it replaced, providing a reasonably steady and wide stream. The angle-adjustable brass swivel ball joint allowed me to position the spray exactly where I wanted it, which is essential for a fixed rainfall head. However, the pressure felt more like a gentle, heavy rain rather than an invigorating, high-velocity blast. If you're someone who relies on strong water pressure to wake up your muscles in the morning, this might feel a little too soft for your liking. My biggest gripe with the AquaDance emerged after a couple of weeks of daily testing. The chrome-plated finish, while initially gleaming, started to show water spots and hard water buildup remarkably fast. The rub-clean nozzles did help clear out calcium deposits, but the faceplate itself required constant wiping down to maintain its aesthetic appeal. Furthermore, much like our number 5 pick, the primary construction is ABS plastic. While the brass joint provides some stability, the plastic body feels somewhat hollow, and I noticed a slight vibration in the housing when the water was turned up to maximum volume. 3. NearMoon Rain Shower Head. Unlike the previous models, the moment I took the NearMoon out of its packaging, I was struck by its weight and solid construction. It is crafted entirely from heavy-duty solid stainless steel, completely eliminating the cheap plastic feel. I installed the 8-inch square version, and the ultra-thin design immediately gave my shower enclosure a sleek, modern, and highly sophisticated upgrade that looked like it belonged in a luxury hotel. The performance of a NearMoon is entirely focused on delivering a true, unadulterated rainfall experience, and it does this brilliantly. It utilizes an air-in technology that mixes air with the water flow, which serves two purposes. It boosts the perceived water pressure while simultaneously saving water. When I stepped under for the first time, the droplets felt plump, heavy, and incredibly soothing. It manages to provide a cascading flow that completely envelopes you, rinsing away thick shampoos and conditioners with surprisingly little effort for a pure rainfall design. What I loved most during my testing period was the absolute simplicity of the design. There are no complicated dials to turn, no confusing massage settings, and no fragile plastic switches to break. It simply does one thing and does it exceptionally well. The silicone nozzles are perfectly arranged to ensure an even distribution of water across the entire square face, preventing that annoying empty spot in the middle that cheaper rainfall heads often suffer from. Whenever I noticed a slight disruption in the stream from mineral buildup, a quick swipe of my thumb across the silicone nubs instantly cleared it up. The solid brass swivel ball connector allows for smooth and precise angle adjustments, and once positioned, it stays firmly in place without drooping. 2. SparkPod Rain Shower Head. If you have done any research on upgrading your bathroom, you have likely seen this model, and after rigorously testing it, I can confidently say the hype is entirely justified. What sets the SparkPod apart is its almost magical ability to take completely average, mediocre home water pressure and amplify it into a deeply satisfying, high-energy drenching. I installed this in a bathroom known for having somewhat frustratingly low pressure, and the transformation was immediate and startling. The secret to its performance lies in its perfectly calibrated restrictor valve and nozzle design. It pushes water through the 90 silicone jets with impressive force, creating a wide, thick stream that feels both luxurious and powerful. During my tests, it consistently provided enough velocity to blast away muscle tension and rinse out heavy hair products in seconds, yet the droplets never felt needle-like or stinging. It strikes that elusive, perfect balance between a broad, soaking rain and an invigorating, high-pressure jet. Installation was an absolute breeze, taking me perhaps 3 minutes from start to finish. SparkPod includes everything you need right in the box, including Teflon tape and a water restrictor that you can easily leave out if you want maximum flow, which is exactly how I tested it. The ABS plastic construction used here feels noticeably thicker and more robust than the materials found in our lower-ranked options. The metallic finish is impeccably applied, resisting peeling and fading even after weeks of exposure to hot steam and daily use. I also deeply appreciated the sheer consistency of the shower head. 1. KOHLER K72596 BN Exhale B90. After testing everything from budget-friendly plastics to heavy steel squares, stepping under the Exhale was a revelation in what a premium showering experience should actually feel like. KOHLER is a titan in the plumbing industry, and this specific model showcases exactly why they hold that reputation. The brushed nickel finish is flawlessly executed, radiating a subtle, high-end elegance that immediately elevates the aesthetic of any bathroom space it occupies. What makes the Exhale the undisputed champion is its catalyst air-induction technology. While other brands attempt air mixing, KOHLER has perfected it. The system infuses 2 liters of air into the water every single minute. When I tested this, the result was water droplets that were noticeably larger, warmer, and heavier than anything else on the market. It doesn't just spray water at you. It completely coats you in a rich, velvety blanket of high-pressure rain that retains its heat all the way down to your feet. The sensory experience is simply unmatched. Despite its relatively compact size, the intelligent nozzle geometry ensures that the coverage is vast and totally even. It features multiple spray experiences, but unlike the overwhelming 50 modes of our last place pick, KOHLER keeps it refined to the absolute essentials: a full coverage drench, a targeted massage for sore muscles, and a gentle silk spray. Switching between these modes is flawlessly smooth, facilitated by a robust, tactile mechanism that feels incredibly satisfying and durable to operate. The transition between settings is seamless, with no annoying dripping or loss of pressure. The build quality is nothing short of exceptional. Every component feels engineered to last a lifetime, utilizing premium metals and highly resilient internal mechanisms that can easily withstand aggressive hard water without clogging or degrading.